guys, so this is the one of the biggest farm here in Oman. So we're going to go inside and then make some videos. So how they, so we want to know how they were able to maintain their garden or their farm. So let's go inside. Just the main gate. So let's inside. Okay guys, we are now inside our farm. So I'll be showing you the irrigation water system of this farm. So this is how they maintain the farm. They having their own water irrigation system. It goes to now I will walk you through the farm. This is like a wild forest farm. So there's a variety of fruits here. Mango, but now mango is already harvested. It's not already season. See, these are, I think this is a lemon, but different kind of lemon. See the fruits? It's very big. And there are also a variety of lemons here. Or they call it lime. The big tree. I think this is a lemon. And this is another kind of lime, which is small. See, the fruit is very small as compared to that one. So many limes. See the fruits. I think this farm is more of, they're having more lime or lemon rather than mangoes, guava. See, they also have papaya. Another lemon tree. Lime tree. Mangoes. And if you notice, the dates now doesn't have any. Most of the dates doesn't have any fruits. Only few. See the lemon. This is also inside the farm. I saw some sheep, goat, just fed by the Bengali. This is the irrigation system. coming from the main faucet, go through all the way to different area of this farm. This is how they maintain, how they watering all the plants here inside the farm. See the irrigation system. That is why even here in Middle East, you think of it's very hot, but this is how they maintain the farm. They have their own irrigation system to water the different plants here inside their garden or inside their. See. From the main faucet goes all the way to the last portion of the tree. By the way guys, dates are of different size. I think this is kind of dwarf tree, so you can easily get because it's very small. And there are dates, this is very tall, so they have to climb so that they can get the date fruits. But this kind of tree, small, we can easily get the fruits. Dwarf tree dates. Okay, so we will try to pick. See, this color is actually already ripe, ready for it, ready to eat. But this one, this kind of color is not yet ripe. So we're going to pick some dates. So this one. Very nice color. Okay, we'll try to pick some in this different other color, the black, the red one. We'll pick some here. You'll notice if it is already ripe, the color becomes brown, like this one. Even if the dates is red, once it is ripe, it becomes like this, brown. So that means ready to eat. Okay, so here, see? So a lot of dates now. Ready for harvest. Ready to harvest. See, this is also like a dwarf tree.